Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're ready to shoot. First, make sure your iPhone is updated and has room. Open camera, swipe to video, then tap the action mode icon to engage heavy stabilization. This is what smooths fast motion. Once done, pick the wide lens because action mode uses it for best stabilization, and choose 24, 30, or 60 FPS depending on motion. Lower FPS looks cinematic. Higher FPS freezes action better. Start recording immediately to capture the stabilized footage. Now refine how you move and why it matters. Lock focus and exposure with a long press so the camera won't hunt while you follow action. Use two hands and tuck your elbows to reduce body sway. Step with the subject rather than pivoting. This keeps the stabilization working optimally. Make small, deliberate pans and let action mode compensate. If lighting or speed changes, quickly adjust frame rate or resolution on screen. These settings affect motion rendering and file size, so choose intentionally. Finish by stopping the recording and reviewing your clip in Photos. Trim out shaky starts so the stabilized portion plays cleanly. When editing, crop and color correct, then export at the resolution and frame rate you originally chose to preserve quality. If action mode isn't appearing, make sure iOS is current, free enough storage, and restart the phone. Also check you aren't in ProRes or another mode that disables action mode. If problems persist, toggle camera settings or reboot once more.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.